Here I'm going to be doing Excel Chapter 2, Exercise 2. Let's begin. I've already started and put the menu to the side or the instructions to the corner. First instruction is change the entry for invoice number in cell B4 to 1010. So here is B4 and it says 100x. They wanted you to change it to 1010 and then just enter. Next. Enter a formula on cell B5. I'm already in B5 that uses a function to display the current date. This one I need guidance, so I'm going to open the instructions and it tells me to type a formula that says you have to do the equal sign and you have to do capital letters. You have to make sure that you type it exactly as they show you. And today, open parentheses, close parentheses, and enter. And that will give you the formula to display today's date. Okay, that's it for that one. Let's go to the next one. Copy the formula on cell D9 into the range D10 to 15. So this is D9. And just like done in a previous exercise, all you have to do is have your little plus sign right here in the corner and double click really fast and it'll automatically copy the formula all the way down to D15. Perfect. Let's go to the next instruction. Enter a formula on cell E9 that calculates the tax. Use a relative cell reference to refer to the amount in cell D9 and an absolute cell reference to refer to the tax rate in cell B6. Whole bunch of jargon. Let's just go to the step-by-step instructions. So click cell E9, which is this one right here. Type in the formula equals $D9, capital D9, and then the start, and then $, capital B for cell B, and then $, and then the number 6 for cell B6. And so once I selected, you can see that B6 got highlighted. All I have to do, I make sure that the formula is correct, and as you can see, I did not type it incorrectly. Instead of an equal sign, I did a minus sign. So you want to do an equal sign. Now it is correct. If you look at it, have it the same way as equals D9 times $B, $6. And just enter, and then it should give you the tax for that. Perfect. Let's go to the next instruction. It says enter a formula in cell F9 that adds the amount in cell D9 and tax cell E9. So select F9 and you're going to do the equal sign. And this is a little easier because you can go and click on the cell that you want and they tell you that the amount is in cell D9. So go to D9, which is this one, and you're adding, so you do a plus sign in my cell where I'm putting the formula, and then they want you to select the E9 right here. Once you've selected those two, they just want you to add those two, you enter, and it gives you the total amount in there. Perfect. We just go to the next instructions. Enter a formula in cell E16 right here that calculates the total amount of tax in this invoice. Use the amounts in the range E9 through E15. Might need a little instruction, so I will go here and it tells me that click E16, click the auto sum button in the editing group on the home tab, and then click enter. We've done that one before, so we go look at the auto sum. I've already selected it. Just click and make sure it's E16. I'm not in S16, I'm in F16. So select the right one, otherwise it's not going to be correct. Click the auto sum here. automatically does it, and then you just enter. You're good. Next step, enter a formula in cell F18, and that's the column F, row 18, that uses a sum function to calculate the invoice total for the range of cells F9 through F15. What you're gonna do, you're gonna follow the instructions and enter this formula as they tell you. So click F18, I'm right here, and then enter the equal sign, and then the letters SUM in capital, and you can see that there's a lot of formulas that appear, but in this case, they want you to type it completely by yourself. Then you do an open parentheses, which I did at 9, open parentheses, and then they want you to drag or select the range of cells F9 through F15. So you select with your mouse the F9 through F15. You've selected it, the range, and you can see it here, F9 through A15. Then you do a close parentheses, and then you enter. And then it gives you the sum of all of the cells. In that case, most of them are empty, but if you were to put some numbers in here, then it will automatically update the cell right here. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. And we're done. Let's check our answer. Perfect. Let's move on to the next task.